Hey guys, you have reached Regina's Way, and today is Throw It Out Thursday. Now, I have been working behind the scenes, clearing out this room because it is working. Now, I am happier because of everything that I am doing, and I am going to keep this journey going. So, I have decided to bring Throw It Out Thursday to you all just in case this is something that you all are experiencing. Now, let me tell you what's going on in this room. I love this room, y'all. I edit in this room, I film in this room, I watch TV, play video games in this room, do my hair, work out. This is where I be hanging out, y'all, right up in this room. But also, I have a lot of things in this room to make me comfortable that's in arm reach. That shouldn't be in here, like weights, vitamins. I don't even need to have all of my hair products in here like I have them in here. And it's a lot of things that I don't even use, and you're going to see that in the video that I am just going to get rid of. Now, I'm going to tell you all, I am very, very happy with the progress that I am making in this room. If you have been looking at the videos, you've been seeing a lot of fashion shows coming you all's way. For a matter of fact, I just did a fashion show for you all, and I labeled it, What Should I Keep? And y'all was no help at all. You all said keep all of it. Y'all are funny. But you know what? I was able to bring you that fashion show because I downsized my closets, and I didn't ask myself, what should I get rid of? What should I throw away? I asked myself that different question. What should I keep? And those were the things that I kept. Everything else that I didn't feel that way about, I got rid of and I donated them. And if they wasn't up to par, then I threw them away. So I am going to keep this journey going in this room. And man, let me tell you, I am loving the progress that I am making. Now, like I said, I have been bringing you all fashion shows and I have been wearing my clothes. No longer are the days that I have clothes put up for special occasions that may never come. You probably have a few good outfits that you can really step out on the town with, but you're not stepping out on the town every day. So why you got 50,000 outfits for stepping out on the town? So, like I said, I am going through everything. Now, here I am going through makeup, and I don't even wear makeup like that. So, one of the things I did was start playing in my makeup. I wanted to see what still went with my skin tone, what I like, what I didn't like. And y'all, half of that makeup did not even mesh with my skin anymore. So, the ones that did, I made a list. Everything else, I started downsizing and throwing out. Now, you all know that I have a texturizer in my hair, and I have right there in my hand, right there, bags of wigs, right? And so I did those tutorials on Regina's TV showing you how those wigs fit. So why are they still in the room? Because I'm going to tell you, before I came in here and started doing my hair in here, I used to just do my hair in the bathroom. And if y'all go back and look at some of those films, y'all will see that I was always in the bathroom. Now, when I would do my hair, I have another channel. It is called Regina's TV, and over there we do hair. I think one of the things that's really making it more encouraging is the fact that as I see me moving things away and seeing how my area is clearing up, it's making me see how more functional my area can be. And it's just removing things out of my sight that really didn't need to be there, because a lot of times you can have a whole bunch of chaos in your sight because of what you see. So I'm seeing how everything is like, ooh, calming down. So this is what I am doing today, y'all. I'm being realistic about what I need, what I don't need, what I can throw away, what I can keep. And if it's bothering me to the point where it's stealing my joy, if I do need it again, if I throw it away, am I capable of going and buying what I threw away if I need it again? And yes, so why have something in your face every day that you feel like you can improve on? So that's what I'm doing. All right, so y'all have been in here with me 1,000 times when I film, when I clean up, when I declutter, and things like that. But I don't know if y'all know that I really don't like this stand. I don't. Even though it's more storage for me and everything, y'all, I just don't like it at all. So I will be taking this out. I just don't like it. That was a smart move because I ended up doing something brilliant with it. Now I'm gonna tell you all, I don't like a lot of things around me, but it was convenient being able to reach for this, reach for that. So you got to make up your mind. Are you going to get up off your butt and go to where the stuff belongs and use it? Or are you going to have your area chaotic? I would rather get up and walk to what I need to get. One of the reasons that I had everything around me, you all, was because I was always going out double buying things. So once I seen that I had so many of the same things, I started putting things in my face. That was, I would say that was really good to do. Because when I would go out in the street, I wasn't so quick to, buy anything anymore. So when I started having all this stuff in my face, this is how it shrunk down to this. Because one, I didn't want to waste my money. I felt like I was wasting my money if I just threw it out. For two, I wanted to see what I had. So a lot of the stuff that I'm seeing, and I'm seeing how it's shrinking down and leaving because I'm using it, because I can see it. And now I have gotten it down to the point whereas I have so many empty like containers for makeup, containers to hold facial things and things of that nature. And I'm also being honest with what I use and what I don't use. Now with all these fingernail polishes over here, you all, out of all of them, I say there is only 3 that I really, really like. But I got over 20 polishes over here, and they will be going away. All right, so I used to wear press-on nails, right? And so all of this, what I am putting in this bag is nail glue. Who needs all that nail glue, y'all? I done already downsized my fingernail polish. Let's downsize this, because this is ridiculous. How many glues do one person need? How many? I have all these glues that I really don't use anymore. I really don't, y'all. Now this is a big bag of nail glue. How many of these bottles are still good? Some of these don't even have nothing in them. Some of these are empty. And I don't wear nails like this no more anyway, y'all. I had to think about it. I said, you know what? You sitting here, check and see how many of those are good. They're dried up, they're empty. See, this is why I say take your time. Out of that whole bag of nail polish, only one has something in it. I'm done. Now I have 2 storage units on this dresser here, and I was able to compress them down to 1. And I used the green storage shelf unit underneath my kitchen sink. And that's how I am moving in this room. I know I can't get it all done a day, but eventually it will all be gone. Look like I am going to keep cleaning up this room, keep downsizing things, move things around, see how I like where I put everything. Then I will come back and show you all, what the room look like or how far I have gotten. But while I am gone, hit that comment, like, subscribe, and share button. Hype the video, you all, because you are letting me and YouTube know that you are liking the content. So I'm just going to keep cleaning up, and then I can show you the after and what I ended up doing in part of the video. All right, well, this is how far I have gotten on this room, and it looks way better than where we started. And I am not done, y'all, because I am using my clothes, my purses, my shoes, perfumes, hair things that was just sitting around. So now it is looking really nice. Everything is stored away and thrown away. Well, guys, I want to thank you for coming by, spending this time with me. You have reached Regina's Way. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Go visit my other channel where we do hair and smoke the hair. It is called Regina's TV. Over there, comment, like, subscribe, and share as well. Support both channels, guys. And see me back here next Thursday for episode 3 of Throw It Out Thursday. Mwah.